$3 stadium roulette and craps. I like that setup. $15 minimum live craps. $25 baccarat. $15 live craps. $15 baccarat. $5 poker. $25 blackjack. $25 blackjack. $5 ultimate Texas Hold'em poker. 00 roulette.
Detroit uses highlight. Send like these pistols can even beat the laser magic. They suck number one. Right next door right now.
Neither one of those roulette tables has their minimum on the stand or on the lit up sign. That's kind of stupid. Or maybe it's not. I don't know. I don't know what they're trying to do. But anyway, I'll go back and have to ask. $3 pop-up craps. $3 crapless craps. Pal Gal poker, $20. $15 Pal Gal poker. Okay. Roulette is $5. But they don't even have a sign that says $5. I had to ask. They should have a sign because that would excite people, I would think. Because $5 is a rare minimum for roulette. They have it at Gold Coast, which is a sister property, so it shouldn't surprise me that they have it here. But I don't see, they don't have any good deals on blackjack. Let me look around real quick, make sure. Okay, summarize the table situation. I had to really look close because some of these blackjack tables don't have electronic signs on them. So there's one $10 6 to 5 blackjack. There's 2 live roulettes, $5 00. 2 live craps, $15. And what was the other thing I saw? Oh, $25 baccarat. Oh, $5 poker. All kind of pokers. Ultimate Mississippi, mud, 3-card, and Pal Gal. You had your choice on $5 games. Sportsbook. They haven't remodeled this sportsbook in years.